Intercom app. The pros, the cons. Intercom is a customer messaging platform designed to improve engagement and support. But is it the best choice for your business? The biggest advantage is personalization. Intercom allows live chat, automated messaging, and email campaigns tailored to user behavior. For example, a sauce company can automatically send onboarding tips to new users based on their activity. Intercom also offers robust analytics and integration options, making it easier to track engagement and measure campaign effectiveness. Its user-friendly interface allows teams to manage conversations efficiently. On the downside, Intercom can be expensive, especially for growing teams, and pricing scales with the number of users. Some features may require technical setup, and smaller businesses may find it overkill for basic support needs. In conclusion, Intercom is ideal for businesses seeking personalized customer engagement and automated support tools. It's powerful and versatile, but smaller teams or those on a budget may find it costly or complex.